Hey guys, this is going to be posted on the Raise community, and I just want to share with you my setup. Basically, I see a lot of people post, they got like some Gucci setups and stuff like that, real clean, whatever. Anyway, I just want to show you my machines. This first one here, I actually had disassembled and shipped to me in these huge, like boxes or whatever, piece by piece, bolt by bolt, while I was stationed in Japan. I reassembled it because I had this vision to make parts for myself for my own car, which is back there. Anyways, long story short, that business plan worked out, and that machine made me money like you could never imagine. It still runs to this day. I've barely done what you would consider regular maintenance on it, besides some bearings and bushings and basic stuff like that. It runs nonstop. Both these machines run nonstop, and they might look abused or whatever. That's true. I don't really take as good care of them as I should. I use ABS slurry, an acetone ABS mix, and I don't get failures. I mean, this is business for me. I don't print trinkets and butt plugs and whatever else everybody's printing. I print stuff to sell, and these things make me money hand over fist. Basically, this is my shipping department, and this machine right here, this first one, built this, and this second one, built this shop, and I want to show it to you. Essentially, it's 2,400 square feet. And basically, I just grind hard. I keep going every day, come up with new ideas. I use Autodesk. I'm just a self-learned guy. And this is the shop that I use. Kind of like a hobby shop, kind of like business. I'm self-employed. I do whatever. And mostly I make parts for these types of cars. This is an FDRX7. Mine's right-hand drive, brought it over from Japan. And, I also do left-hand drive parts. And this is my dream, buddy. This is what you can do. And I just want to show it to people because, there's all this negativity out there and you can't do this and you need this help and you need everyone to give you everything on a fucking platter. No, you just have to go at it. Like I'm saying, that little machine over there, that tiny little machine, got me all this. I'm not joking. All this building and everything in it. Those two machines that run nonstop. I got that third little one I'm working on. I got an issue. I'll hit you guys up sometime. Try to help me diagnose that. But yeah, this is my shop. 10 acres in Maine. I do whatever the fuck I want all day long. I got customers around the world. They're just the best people that you could ever imagine. And yeah, I make FDM printed parts. And I do it with a little bit of style, a little bit of flair, I'm not just fucking off. I mean, this stuff's decent quality. It's not crazy. It's not rocket science either. I print it out on that machine, and then I'll bring you over to my finishing room that I designed here. Obviously, this shop is more fun than work. But over here, oh yeah, that's my sound setup for my shop. So this is my parts room where I finish my parts. And they kind of come over here. I do some fiberglass overlay on big parts like this just because you can't be too sure. You don't want your stuff to break. And they come off the machines, like so, like you would expect. But, who gives a shit about ABS? Don't get it everywhere. But I don't really care. My biggest thing is that I can't come back in here at night or, whatever after I take a rest. I can't come back here and have a part that's peeling off the thing or warped or whatever. I use ABS Plus from eSun for everything pretty much. And if it can't withstand the temps, like New Zealand, a lot of customers out there, a lot of high temps, I'll do thicker or fiberglass overlays. I'll even go like carbon fiber overlays on some stuff. This is 100% 3D printed, This one obviously doesn't look that great, but you can get crazy with what you do. And I'm just making OEM style parts or upgraded parts. And here's my parts room. So this whole floor is raised up. And there's a giant blower set up in there. So, I mean, I do wear a respirator sometimes. I should be a lot better about it. I'm not. I'm starting to get more conscious about the particles and everything like that. I really do need to pay more attention. I use SEM paint products to do the finishing on everything. And this is the room. So I just go over there, hit the fans on, and it's like a downdraft room. The whole room just sucks all the air right down in it. It's quiet. I mean, it's not quiet, but it's quiet enough. And I just go in there, sand parts, finish parts, and grind, get stuff out. It's simple. I don't advertise. I don't do anything. And you can do it too. I'm just saying, like, I started this business and I got here with that one machine that I had broken down by my buddy and shipped to me because Ray's wouldn't ship it to Japan. So I was like, fuck it. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. And we're doing it, you know. These machines run nonstop. So that's what I'm saying, folks. You too can have all this and more if you just apply yourself. Find a niche market maybe. Go hard. Anyways, just want to share with you guys. Peace. My name is Shane Drake. My website is www.draklore.com, which is DRAKLORE.com. You can check out my parts. My business page is called Drake's, which is just my last name with an S, if you're not sure. And yeah, check out my stuff. This is how to live, folks. And you can do it pretty easily. So, anyways, peace out.